皆さん、こんにちは。お元気ですか？メガです。And welcome back to my channel, Tsubomi Nihongo. Today we are doing N5 Basic Japanese Kanji Lesson 1. 始めましょうか? So, 皆さん, our first kanji is Yama. And Yama is a kunyomi. And onyomi of Yama is San. San. Right? Now, draw with me, Minnasan. Ichi, ni. Ichi, ni. Ichi, ni. Ichi, ni. Right? Now, let's do the words of Yama. First word is Yama. Yama is a mountain. Yama is a mountain. Hi, Minnasan. Next is Fuji-san. Fuji-san. Fuji as it is. San. What is the kanji of san? You know, the onyomi of Yama is san, right? So here, kanji of san is Yama. Fuji-san is Mount Fuji. Next is Tozan. Tozan. To as it is. Now, draw kanji of zan. Kanji of zan is this. Tozan is climbing. Next is kawa. Kawa. Kawa is a kunyomi. And onyomi of kawa is sen. Sen. Right, Minnasan? Sen. Now, let's draw this kanji with me, Minnasan. Ichi, ni, san. Ichi, ni, san. Ichi, ni, and san. With the 1, 2, 3. Now, let's do the words of kawa. First word is kawa. Kawa is a river. Draw the kanji of kawa. Next, river. Meaning of kawa is river. Next is Yamakawa-san. Yamakawa-san. It's her name, right? Minnasan, kanji of Yama is this, right? And kawa kanji is this. Yamakawa-san. Yamakawa-san is a name, Mr. Yamakawa. Third is Indasu. Indasu-gawa. Indasu-gawa. Indasu as it is, and then write gawa. Indasu-gawa. Next is ta. Ta is a kunyomi. Right? And onyomi is ten. Ten. It's not 10, it's 10. Now, Minnasan, let's draw with me. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 strokes. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go. Again, ichi, ni, san, yon, go. Now, let's do the words, Minnasan. First word is tampo. Tampo. Draw this kanji. Tampo means rice field. Tampo means rice field. Next kanji is Yamada-san. Yamada-san. It's a name, Mr. Yamada. Yama, then da. Yamada-san. Mr. Yamada. Now, third word is suiden. 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 Sui as it is. Sui, then Suiden means rice field. Fourth one is he. Kunyomi is he and be. He and be is a kunyomi. And onyomi is nichi, ni, and jitsu. Nichi, ni, and jitsu. Onyomi. Now, draw with me, minasan. Ichi, ni, san, yon. Ichi, ni, san, yon. Ichi, ni, san, yon. Now, let's do the words. First word is he. Draw the kanji of he. Kanji of he is this. He is sun. He is sun. The sun. Next word is nichi yobi. Nichi yobi. Nichi yobi is Sunday. Nichi is it's a onyomi, right? Nichi yo bi. Bi is a kunyomi, right? Nichi yo bi. Draw this kanji. Nichi yo bi is Sunday. Next word is Nihon. Nihon. Everyone knows what is Nihon? Yes, it's Japan. Ni, then hon as it is. We will do the kanji of hon in next lesson. Nihon is Japan. Our next kanji is tsuki. Tsuki is moon and month both. And the onyomi of tsuki is getsu and katsu. Now let's draw the kanji with me. Ichi, ni, san, yon. Ichi, ni, san, yon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do the words. First word is obviously tsuki. Tsuki. Tsuki means moon. Moon. And the next word is getsu yobi. Getsu yobi. Getsu yobi. Getsu yobi means Monday. Monday. Next is ichigatsu. Ichi means first and gatsu is month. That means first month. This is January. First month is January. Ichi is first and gatsu is month. That means first month January. Next is kongetsu. Kon is this, minasan. Kon is this. And getsu is month, right? So kongetsu is this month. This month. Next is he. That is fire. You can see the drawing of fire. That is drawn by me. My drawing is not good, minasan. Sorry. He is fire. So let's draw this kanji with me. Ichi, ni, san, yon. Ichi, ni, san, yon. Ichi, ni, san, yon. You can see the onyomi. Onyomi is ka. Let's see the words. First word is he. Obviously, he. Draw the kanji of he. He is fire. Next word is kayobi. Kayobi. Kayobi is Tuesday. Ka is onyomi, right? So draw the kanji of ka. Yobi. Kayobi is Tuesday. Next word is Ka, sa, kazan. Kazan. Draw the kanji of ka, then zan. You know the kanji of zan? That Yama Mali kanji, yes. Kazan. Kazan means volcano. Kazan means volcano. Next word is Kaji. Kaji is fire. Draw the kanji of ka, then ji as it is. Kaji is fire. Our next kanji is Mizu. Mizu is water. You can see the drawing of water. Yes. The onyomi of Mizu is sui. The onyomi of Mizu is sui. Now let's draw the kanji or the sketch. Ichi, ni, san, yon. Ichi, ni, san, yon. One, two, three, four. Now let's do the words. First word is Mizu. Mizu means water. Draw the kanji of Mizu. Water. Mizu means water. Our next word is Sui Yobi. Sui Yobi. Oops, sorry. I was drawing the kanji of bee. Guys, first do the kanji of Sui. This is the kanji of Sui. Now Yo. Draw the kanji of bee. Sui Yobi. Sui Yobi means Wednesday. Now third word is Suiten. Sui then. Sui then. Draw the kanji of Sui. Now then, you know the kanji of then. Then is the onyomi of the, right? Sui then. Sui then means rice field. Our next kanji is ki. Ki means tree. Onyomi is moku. Onyomi of ki is moku. You can see the drawing of tree. It's not very good, but I tried. So let's draw the kanji with me, Minnasan. Ichi, ni, san, yon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ichi, ni, san, yon. Ichi, ni, san, yon. Easy na? Yeah. So let's do the words. First is ki. Draw the kanji of ki. Ki is tree. Our next word is mokuyobi. Mokuyobi. Draw the kanji of moku. You can see the onyomi. Onyomi of ki is moku. Draw the kanji of moku. Then yo. Draw the kanji of bi. Mokuyobi. Mokuyobi is Thursday. Mokuyobi is Thursday. Our next kanji is kin and kane. Kane is a kunyomi and the onyomi of kane is kin. Kin is gold and kane is money. Now let's draw the kanji with me, Minnasan. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana, hachi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana, hachi. Now our first word is kin. Kin. Draw the kanji of kin. Kin is gold. Gold. Sone wala gold. Second is okane. Okane. Okane is money. Pesa. बहुत सारा पैसा. O is for respect. Okane. Money. Next word is kinyobi. Kinyobi is Friday. Draw the kanji of kin. Yo. Draw the kanji of bi. Kinyobi is Friday. Our next kanji is tsuchi. Tsuchi. Tsuchi is soil. Onyomi of tsuchi is do and to. Do and to. Now let's draw the kanji with me, Minnasan. For practice, draw the kanji ichi ni san. Ichi ni san. Ichi ni san. 3 strokes. First word is tsuchi. You know, tsuchi is soil. Draw the kanji of tsuchi. Next word is do yo bi. Do yo bi. Do yo bi is Saturday. Draw the kanji of do yo bi. Do yo bi is Saturday. And and if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel Nihongo, and also do like and comment. Okay, matane, bye bye. And yes, wait for the kanji test, Minnasan. Yes, I will upload the video in my reels in this channel, so do watch that video also. So matane, bye bye.